So year 7 and 8, this is your tutorial on your cockpit and how you're going to suspend your plane via a line, a string line. So we'll start with the simplest step, which would be putting a hole in an existing part. So this would be your rudder that you're going to need to create a hole in. So I'm going to go to create a new sketch, and I'm going to click on the face of the shape I want to edit. Okay. I don't know about that little thing, so I'm just going to go to the revert position option. Okay, so then I'm going to get my circle tool up here. Now, I'm going to make a little bit of a guess as to where I want to position it. Okay, so I'm going to click once and I'm going to start to drag out. Now, hopefully you've noticed that we can now edit that measurement. And Sir said a good measurement for the diameter of that circle was 3 millimeters. So type 3 mm and hit enter. Now, that's the first part. We put a 3 millimeter hole. We now want to control the position of the hole. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to now get my dimension tool. Okay. And I'm going to click on the edge of my shape and then the outer edge of my circle. And then I'm going to hover my arrow in between so that that inference becomes live, and then I need to click. Now, it's telling me that the distance between the edge of the shape and the center of the circle is currently 9.7 millimeters. So, if the circle has a 3 millimeter diameter, what is the radius? What's half of it? It's going to be 1.5, isn't it? So, Sir also told us that it should be 3 millimeters from the edge. So I need to do the maths here. 3 millimeters plus 1.5 is going to give me 4.5 millimeters. So I'm going to type 4.5 mm and hit enter. Now, if I wanted to, I could also create another dimension, perhaps from the corner to the center, and hover in between, and again enter 4.5 and hit enter. What do we think about that position? Is that okay? I don't like it. I'm going to press undo, Control Z. So we could delete that one. And maybe we could control a different measurement. Maybe we could control from this edge here to this edge here. All right. So if I click, it's saying it's currently 14.4. Now, if we know the size of that rudder, so that top of the rudder there should be 20 millimeters, then I think I'm going to make it 17 and press enter. Are we happy with that position? That looks good, doesn't it? Okay, so then I can press finish sketch. And here's the cool bit. So we go to press our extrude button and we're going to click on it on the little hole that we've just drawn. Only this time we're going to look at the options in this palette right here. So we should have an option here. Where are we? Okay, under operation, can everyone see that? There is cut. So that's going to cut a hole through our part. So I've just pressed the home there, and hopefully we can see now that we have a hole cut through the part. Okay? And if I press enter, that should be complete. Oh, I have to enter my distance as well. So it's 3 millimeters. Okay, cut, distance, 3, and enter. Okay, did it work? It looks like it's wanting me to push it back through here. Did everyone see how I just had to drag that arrow? Okay, and press enter. Finally, there we go. All right, so that's how we cut a hole. Cool?